Lucas, what we will do today? We will cook some plank. So first we prepare some. What is this, Lucas?
Caramel.
Caramel. It is made with.
Sugar.
It is made with sugar. So what is the taste of it?
Salted.
No, not salted. It is sweet.
Sweet.
It is sweet. So what we need to make the plank? We need 10 eggs, 10 spoon of sugar, and 4 cup of milk. So where is the egg? Where is the egg?
Here.
Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Really, it is 9?
1,
You count it, Raya.
1,
You count to Raya.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. It is 10 sugar, 10 eggs. Okay. Now we will mix it. So let's put the eggs in the mixer. What is the filling of the eggs? The egg is crude.
Good.
What's the color of the egg? What's the egg?
Wow.
And when you see the mixer, what's the color it is?
Hello.
Yellow.
Okay, it's yellow. So what we do with the egg? We
Put it in the mixer.
we broken it.
And
Put it where?
in the mixer.
In the mixer. Very good.
ก็กินมันเพี้ยนกับแซมไม่หมายหรือ
Vaya un sana. Y la me ponte un sana teu.
Okay, and now you put 10 spoon of sugar.
Mami. Sana como limpiar.
You take the sugar and
Take the spoon. Where's the spoon? Where's the spoon? Spoon? No. This is the spoon. Okay? What is this?
Spoon.
Okay. So now you put 10 spoon of sugar.
Raya put 5 and Lucas put 5.
Here it is. You put 5 and Lucas and Raya put 5.
You count?
One.
Mandetsere? No, full it. You have to full the sugar. Like Raya.
Okay.
Okay. 1. Count it.
Five.
Very good. And Luca and Raya, how many?
Finish.
You count Raya.
Five.
Very good.
Then
So
you mix it.
what we'll do now?
Stop now. You mix
Huh? What we'll do now? We
one.
we run the mixer and we mix it.
Mix it.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
So what's happened? What's happened now?
It's one.
Yes, it is running and the sugar and the eggs are mixed. Do you see some sugar yet?
No.
No, you don't see sugar anymore because it is mixed with the egg. What is this?
Sun.
What is this?
Red.
No, what is this? It is. What is this, Bajra? It is milk.
Milk. Milk.
So, and what do we feel with the milk? It is?
Sorry.
No, it is warm.
Warm. Warm.
It is hot.
Huh?
Warm.
Hot. It's hot.
Yes.
You put it on
So, it hurt
Yes.
because it is hot.
Hot.
So now we mix it inside the inside the mixer.
Mommy, Daddy.
How many cups do we need?
5. 10.
1 and 2 cup. 1.5 cup. Okay? Okay. Put inside.
and after I have put half
Okay?
Maybe.
So why do you need the tissue? Because
It's hot.
it is hot. So you need a tissue. Put it. Go ahead.
Daddy, finish.
Finish. Okay.
One.
I have put it half.
1.5 cup.
It's half cup. Because it's not here, it's here, Lucas.
Lucas, look at it. It is how much? It is not. Oh, it is not a 1 cup. It is half cup. Okay. Why it is half? Because it is in the half. It is here. It is 1, and here it is half. Okay.
I have put it, please.
Two.
Not 2. 1.5. 1.5. Okay. So we mix it faster. Lucas, come here. What we finished the mixing. Do you see the egg anymore?
Now?
No. And the sugar. Hey, Lucas.
And naughty.
No egg and no sugar because it was
Big.
mixed inside. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So you can't see anymore the sugar and the egg. Now what we'll do now?
Someone on this.
What we'll do? We will cook. Okay? We'll cook the blank. So we put it inside the recipient. Okay?
Don't touch her. Finish, Mommy.
So we put inside to cook. And where we cook it? Lucas, where we will cook it?
In the phone.
No, in French it is four, but in English it is oven.
Okay.
Where is the oven?
That's
Yes, that is the oven. We need to cook it inside the oven. What do we feel inside the oven? What do we feel inside it is? What do we feel inside? Put your hand here. What do we feel there? It is?
hot.
It is, repeat again.
Hot.
It is hot. So we need the hot to cook the blank, okay?
Like
To cook the blank we need hot,
hot.
okay?
And the one?
The one will do it later.
Answer.
The blank is ready. Let's finish.
Daddy, can I eat?
We need that sweet, it becomes less hot. It becomes cold, and after that you can eat, okay? You have to wait it until tomorrow.
Daddy,
We will take it as snack tomorrow, okay? because it's not yet cold. Okay?